The Twilio Account SID is a unique 34-character alphanumeric string that identifies your Twilio account. Think of it as the root key for all your Twilio interactions. It's essential for API authentication, ensuring that requests are from authorized accounts. Treat it like a password and never share it publicly. Here's an example of what an account SID looks like: AC followed by 32 characters. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find it, along with related security measures. The easiest way to find your account CD is through the Twilio console. First, log into console.twilio.com. On the dashboard, which is the default landing page, scroll down to the Account Info section. Your account SID will be displayed prominently, often labeled as Account SID. Simply copy it securely from there. Note the console was redesigned recently in 2024-2025 for better navigation. API keys are secondary credentials designed for programmatic access to Twilio's services. Unlike the account SID, which is your primary account identifier, API keys are separate and consist of two components: a key SID and a secret. Twilio strongly recommends using API keys instead of the account SID for making API calls. This approach limits the exposure of your primary account credentials, reducing security risks if the keys are compromised. One of the key advantages of API keys is their ability to provide fine-grained permissions. For example, you can create a key with read-only access to specific services or limit it to certain operations. This granular control helps maintain security while allowing programmatic access. With this understanding of API keys and their role in enhancing security and access control, let's examine how to create and use them in practice. To create an API key, navigate to API Keys under Settings in the left sidebar of the Twilio console. This page shows the API Keys dashboard where you can manage your keys. Click Create API Key to start the process. Choose a friendly name and select the desired permissions for your API key. Once created, download or copy the key SID and secret. Note that the secret is shown only once, so store it securely. Existing keys and their last used timestamps are also visible here. Project info refers to account-level metadata that helps you manage and organize your Twilio resources. It includes sub-accounts for organizing projects, billing details and account balance, and service configurations and settings. Additionally, it contains your account type, whether trial or paid, the region, such as US1 or IE1, and associated phone numbers or services. Knowing your project info is essential for effective resource management, and accessing it in the console is straightforward. To access your project info in the Twilio console, start by logging in and navigating through the menu. Go to the Account section in the top navigation bar. From there, click on General Settings or Project Info depending on your console version. This will open a page showing your account's configuration details. The Project Info page displays key details like your account SID, which is a unique identifier for your account. It's usually shown at the top of the page. In the Account Info section, you'll find your auth token, which is another important credential. The page includes helpful warnings about keeping these tokens secure. The Project Info area also includes your sub-account list, which helps organize different projects. You'll find billing details and other account metadata here as well. Security is paramount when working with Twilio. As of late 2025, Twilio mandates multi-factor authentication for all console access. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just passwords. Additionally, regularly rotate your API keys. This security practice limits the damage if a key is compromised. Twilio recommends rotating keys every 90 days for high-risk accounts. The process involves creating new API keys, updating your applications to use them, and safely deleting the old keys. Always treat your account SID, API keys, and secrets with the utmost care. Store them securely using environment variables in your code, and never share them publicly to prevent unauthorized access. In summary, the account SID uniquely identifies your Twilio account for all API interactions. API keys provide secure, granular access for programmatic operations, while Project Info contains essential account metadata like subaccounts and billing details. Always access these credentials through the Twilio console, where you can view Account SID, create API keys, and manage project info securely. Enable multi-factor authentication for console access to add an extra layer of security. Regularly rotate your API keys, especially for production applications, to minimize risk if credentials are compromised. Store all credentials securely as environment variables in your code rather than hard coding them. Following these practices ensures the security and reliability of your Twilio applications, protecting both your account and your users' data.